Let us read the map. Map reading. You draw several pictures in your drawing book. A river, trees, a house, etc. Look at this image. It shows a hill, a fort, a post office, a road, a house, and a tree. Details of a map. Look at this image. It also shows the same things, but with the help of signs and symbols. The second image is a sketch for the first image. It is necessary to do certain things so that this sketch can be understood properly. For example, giving it a name, indicating the directions, and fixing a scale. Elements of a map. Look at this image. This sketch includes the title, an arrow indicating the directions, the scale strip, and the index of signs and symbols. When we include all such elements in a sketch, it becomes a map. The map is a small picture of the earth or a part of the earth, drawn to scale. It is used in the study of geography to show a lot of information in a limited space. We understand a map properly when we study its title, the arrow indicating directions, the scale strip, and the index of signs and symbols. All these are known as the elements of a map. In this book, we are going to see various maps that give us some information about crops, rivers, landforms, modes of transport, industries, observation of the environment. Children, visit a park or a farm in your area. A. Collect information about the kind of work the gardener does in a park. Find out which trees and plants are grown there. Observe how they are cared for. Make a list of all the playground equipment you see there. For example, swings and slides. B. On the farm, collect information about the farming activities, the different crops grown on the farm, when the seeds are sown, when the crop is ready for harvesting, etc.